Hello and welcome to Teknikforce tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use banners to promote Teknikforce products as an affiliate. So first of all, visit the JV page of the product that you want to promote. Then click on Tools. Now click on Banners. And now here are all the banners that you can use to promote. Now download the banner, whichever banner you want to use. So right click and save image as into your computer. Now go back to your website. And now let's say that you have an article on your website where you want to post the image. Then go ahead and edit that post. So here is the post that I want to edit, and I want to add the image at the bottom. So here I am. Click on Add Media. And now drag and drop the image that you have just downloaded. Now scroll down and click on Align Center and link to custom URL. And now here you can add your own affiliate link, or you can even add the link of the bonus page that you have generated from the bonus page generator. So add the link here. And then click on Insert into Post. Now let's publish your article. Now let's go ahead and look at the article now. Scroll down. Now here is our image. Now whenever someone click on this image, they will be redirected to the sales page, and from where they can buy the product, and if they buy the product, you will get the credit. So that's how to use banners to promote Teknikforce products.